Okay, you have all heard that Philae has landed, and to take what Professor Shoryamov was telling us, this is a big step for human civilization, and because this is science, scientist, knowledge, and that this is certainly terrestrial intelligence. That makes the difference. I would like, at this stage, to repeat what I say after each success. The biggest problem of success is that it looks easy. And especially for us who are not doing anything. And when you know the sum of expertise, the sum of dedication, the sum of team working between 20 nationalities of member states of Europe, plus cooperation with international partners. When you know that this type of success is not coming from the sky. It comes from hard work and for expertise, because the only way to reconcile risk and success is the expertise. This is the reason why today we have demonstrated that the European expertise, be it at ESA, be it in the industry, in national space agencies, in research centers, everywhere, this is the best expertise of the world, because we are the first to have done that, and that will stay forever. Thank you very much.
A big and certainly very emotional day for the Director General of the European Space Agency, Jean-Jacques Dordain. Ladies and gentlemen, the European Space Agency is based in Darmstadt. Darmstadt is a part of the German state of Hesse, and we have the Prime Minister of the state of Hesse here with us. He's also the President of the German Bundesrat. Welcome, Volker Bouffier.
Sehr geehrter lieber Herr Professor und Präsident Dordain, geehrter lieber Professor Wörner, Professor Reiter, meine sehr verehrten Damen und Herren, das ist ein Tag der Begeisterung, des Glücks und der Faszination. 500 Millionen Kilometer von hier, unvorstellbar, findet etwas statt, was jedenfalls nach meiner Kenntnis zum ersten Mal überhaupt gelungen ist. Es ist wirklich epochal. And it is, like you mentioned, it looks very easy, but it isn't easy. It's, in my point of view, a miracle. And the result of a great work of all of you and a lot of colleagues who are today not with us. But my warmest welcome to all these colleagues, the science community, the honorable guests from all over the world. And I may say in this day, Darmstadt is the middle of the space agency. And we are very proud here in Hesse and in Darmstadt. But at the end of this mission, or a SETA mission, longer than 10 years, the most powerful and the most, in my point of view, the most exactly doing was here ESA Darmstadt. And therefore, it's a great day for all over the world and for Space Agency. And it's a special day for us. And we are very proud to can share this day and this event with you. My congratulations to all those who has done such a huge result. You compared it sometimes like the first time on the moon. Maybe. I hope that we will get a lot of informations that will make the world a little bit better. This way, thank you for coming. Congratulations for this huge event and huge result. And all the best for ESA and all the colleagues who has done this wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Volker Bouffier, the Prime Minister of the State of Hesse, the home state of ESA in Darmstadt. Now, ladies and gentlemen, next we will receive a message via video because the lady unfortunately couldn't be here with us today, but she's been here for many Rosetta events, and I know she's very interested in it and has been following a lot of European Space Agency missions. So we now look forward to the message from Brigitte Zypris. She's the aerospace coordinator at the German government. So let's listen in.
Congratulations to all of the scientists and engineers that have been involved in making this landing a success. The landing is an outstanding achievement. Nobody knew what kind of conditions the lander would be faced with when it was developed more than 10 years ago. And the unusual shape of the comet has made its landing a particular challenge. Philae can now get on with its important task of conducting scientific investigations. We are hoping for nothing more, nothing less than to find out more about the formation of our solar system. And of course, about water, the most important question, as we could see in the short film about Rosetta Ambition. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very glad that the public has also shared in the excitement of this mission. There has been an immense amount of interest shown, of course, particularly today upon Philae's landing. Millions of people right around the world have been following the landing per live stream. And there has been a large number of events taking place in many different countries. This interest of the international public also shows one important fact. No European country alone can realize a mission of this scale. We can only do it by working together.
And that was congratulations from Brigitte Zypris, the aerospace coordinator of the German government. Our next speaker is here on behalf of a gentleman who could not come. He's on behalf of Mauro Del Ambrogio, the vice chairman of the ESA Council at ministerial level in Switzerland. And here to speak on his behalf is Daniel Neuenschwander, head Swiss Space Office, State Secretariat for Education, Research and Innovation. Welcome, and we're all ears.
The statement from the State Secretary just received was wow. Wow, and now deliver 4 times thank you in 4 languages. So I will do my best. I think it's not only saying thank you, it's also committing us all together for the future. But let me first say, Rosetta is an absolutely great scientific success, pushing the frontiers of knowledge and demonstrating what ESA, with all its partners, delivers. First mission to get in orbit around the comet. First vehicle to accompany a comet towards the inner solar system, and now we know it, and first successful landing of a man-made object on a comet. Wow. And with the most elaborate navigation techniques and with world-class precision and approach maneuver. I think we cannot thank enough all the engineers and scientists and people working behind this. As it was said, this required a decision. And the decision on Rosetta, we all know, was decided in 1993 launched in 2004. Now we are here. I think there is a lifespan of about 25 years between preliminary studies and the end of the mission lifetime, which is not today, of course. Danke für die Bereitschaft zum Risiko. Danke für den Durchhaltewille. Cooperation on Rosetta. Rosetta is a proof of a great cooperation that worked over time and that delivers results. I cannot state it sufficiently enough. Cooperation with 15 European states and partners from the United States, from Canada and Australia. We can only underline today the value of international cooperation in space, since there is no alternative to cooperation if humankind wants to advance in its exploration of the universe. And we have demonstrated that we, Europe, we are in the first row. So, thanks to all people who dedicated a considerable lifetime of their professional lifetime to Rosetta, and we have the privilege to witness a global premiere today. It is for the first time that we, as we said, we landed on the comet. Thanks to all of you and for your dedication. Let me add one point. There is also the technological and operational challenges which we saw today. And I think it's very important. We can scientifically look back to 4.6 billion years. We can investigate about the oldest building blocks of our solar system, and it will probably help us to answer fundamental questions about the origin of our life. The scientific data that has been collected so far by Rosetta are outstanding, and the mission is already since months as a great success. Merci pour cette moisson scientifique et merci aussi pour l'inspiration pour les nouvelles générations qui a été donnée aujourd'hui. It was said by the German State Secretary Tsipras, we can all do this when we work together. I think it commits all of us, it commits the co-presidency of ESA at ministerial level, and I can only close by grazie per tutti, forza Rosetta, forza ESA.
Mille grazie.